So let me just make sure this is working. Alright. Okay, I'm testing if you can hear me. Alright, that sounds good enough. Let's go. Okay, so on HackerRank I've been doing the 30 days of code. As you can see, I've done quite a bit of them already. I've completed the first and second page. Basically there's 30 challenges, and each day you unlock the next one. So I am currently, I've done all of them up until the 25th, which, as you can see, shows a moderate difficulty. So let's get started. Yeah, I'm a little sick right now, coming down with a cold, so bear with that. Alright, cool. So in this challenge, you'll determine if a given number x is prime or not. Okay, so basically we have to make a really efficient prime checking function. Size t. Okay, so first I'm going to read in. I'm going to be using C++. I sort of changed mine all around between C++ and Python and Java. Anyway, we're going to read in t. That's our number of test cases. And then hold on. Yeah, alright. Let me go ahead and create another variable in. And each time we will read in and so prime, if it is prime, not prime, it's not. Okay, if is prime in I'll do that. Else not. I think they capitalized the P. Yeah, no. Okay, good thing I checked. Because that will count your answer as incorrect if you have the P is capitalized. Okay, so now all I have to do is write this function. This is a Boolean function. It's prime, accepts an integer in, and now we can think about how to solve this. So prime number, its only divisors are itself and 1. However, we don't need to check numbers beyond the square root of the number, because after that point we know that there are no more divisors. Sort of, I'm not really sure how to explain that mathematically, but basically I think it's going to be, well, first we're going to say if n is equal to I'm not sure if I'm not sure, let's see, yeah, if n is equal to 1, return true. Actually, or n is equal to 2. Okay, so now I'm going to make a for loop. See, we have the CMath, okay, square root of n and I plus plus. Alright, now if n modulo I is equal to 0, I can initialize I to 3 now, and I can say if it is 0, then that means this is not a prime number, so we can turn false, and otherwise we'll keep looping, and when we get out of the loop, we will turn true. Now this is just my first version. We'll see if that's correct. Okay, I might have gotten lucky. So let me first copy all of that just in case. Okay, so we didn't get some of the test cases right. Wrong answer. Okay, let's go back to our problem. So n is going to be between this. Right. I wish I had a test case that wouldn't work, so I'm not sure. Okay, for this example, I'm going to cheat a little bit. I wrote a very efficient Python function for checking if numbers are prime or not. So I'm going to look for that actually and base my algorithm off of it. So, okay, and what was it? I believe I did. I did not. not in that file at least. So this is what's good about having a history of programming, is you can always jump back to your old stuff and rely on it. There's the folder I'm looking for. Okay, it's one of these. Here we go. So I went from 2 to the square root plus 1. Okay, it's the same algorithm. Alright. So yeah, I do need to convert that to an int. And my equals here is essentially going to be doing what the plus 1 is, but yeah, I can leave it at that. So she'll still should get correct on these test cases. Yeah. So copy this. Okay. Alright. Well, we can also check if n is even. Didn't return false. That's another upgrade, I suppose. And in that case, we can update our for loop. So instead of plus plus, let's plus equals 2, because I'm starting at an odd number here. Yeah, that's good. Let me run this. I'm still probably going to get the wrong answer on the other test cases, but this is worth a shot. One test case. How about that? Alright, so now is what I like to call a good time to go to the discussions. So on HackerRank, if you're having trouble with like a single test case, if you usually go to the discussions, there's almost always people chattering about it. So the test case that I couldn't get to pass was 5. Alright. Yeah, that's right. 1 isn't a prime, I forgot about that. So I'm looking for test case 5. Alright, here we go. Alright, yeah, I believe that's what it is mine does not check, it does not let n equal 1 be prime, or it thinks it is prime, my bad. So if n equals 1, return true, and I can just put this in here, if n equals 1, return false. hit submit this. There we go. And that is it for day 25. And I'm actually going to keep on streaming. I mean, you can feel free to walk out at any time, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do the next problem. Day 26. Let me check on the time. Alright. Yeah, no, I think I might go ahead and call it. This is a 15 minutes long. So alright guys, well this is it, I suppose. Thanks for watching, and join me on the next stream. I'll be glad to help you guys with any questions in the chat if you have them and whatnot. So see you guys next time.